Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel OJ Marketing. In today's video, I'm here with an amazing strategy which you can actually use to go on to collecting up to 1,000 leads right now with Cpagrip right now. And this is going to be an amazing strategy which you want to do right now and start making a lot of money online with Cpagrip. And guys, do stick on to the end of this video to learn this exact same strategy right now. And without further ado, let's jump right ahead into today's video. But before we dive into today's video guys, if you're new to my channel, I basically post videos about CPA marketing and how to make money online with other plans like affiliate marketing and other use of AI tools right now. So if you do like such content, scroll through my channel, you'll be able to see some cool and amazing videos that could help you boost your income online. And also make sure you subscribe to the channel so that I can alert you whenever I release much more amazing videos that could be helpful to you in making extra income. So guys, going right ahead into today's video, you want to head on to this platform called Cpagrip. And if you do head on to Cpagrip, if you don't have an account, click on register, go onto this page right now, and you can actually go on to fill in this form appropriately. Focus more on the fields with this red asterisk sign, and actually go on to agreeing to the terms of services by checking these boxes right now. And once you're done with that, you could just simply click on register and create your account, of which you can then go on to logging into your account. So as you can see guys, I'm logged into my account. What you want to do right now is to go onto the monetization tools right here, click on URL file locker, and right now you could simply go on to creating a URL file locker. And you can see right now I've made some cool amount right now with this simple strategy right here, which is about $231.67 today with this strategy. To go on to making yours, click on create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of services, and click on continue. So once you're on this page right here guys, just simply go onto the template section and go on to selecting a simple template right now. You want to select this particular farm booster template, and you could just simply go on to seeing that you could get some types of likes right now, which is about 1,000 likes, 5,000 likes, 2,500 likes, and so on. And to actually edit this to your preference or to my preference right now, I'm just going to come onto this HTML section, and for these sections right now which I actually have in this amount right now, I can actually go on to changing this section to something like Facebook likes. So if I do type in something like Facebook likes right now, I'm actually going to go on to copying this particular section and pasting that in all these other sections right now. So guys, once I actually did paste in that and actually go on to refreshing and preview, you can see that it has actually successfully changed in this section right here. So I can actually go on to the general section and actually edit this section based on my preference. You want to give this particular section a name, and you can actually come right here. For this locked URL section guys, you want to make sure you go on to creating a landing page right there first of all. And for a landing page, you could use any landing page builder site out there, like the breezy.io, the systemy.io, the Google site, the Warrior Plus, or any other landing page builder site which you can grab hold of and utilize to create a simple landing page. And on that landing page is actually going to contain details telling them that they should just simply go on to emailing you or sending you an email right now, and you could just simply leave your email address right there for them to actually send you an email. And if you do that right there, you want to just simply leave that particular landing page or lock that landing page right here in this locked URL section. And once you're done with that guys, just simply go on to clicking on save. And if you do click on save guys, as you can see, you'll be brought to this page right here. Click on get link for that particular content locker or URL file locker, copy the link, and actually head on to the next step. And the next step will be to go on to creating another landing page right now. And that landing page guys will actually contain this particular URL file locker link right now. And you could just simply create a landing page telling people to actually go on to getting free likes right now. And you can actually create a landing page, link that to this URL file locker, and to actually drive traffic to that and actually make money with that, because we're not actually going to be spamming them or scamming people. We're not actually going to be using a black hat method. We're actually going to be giving them their likes right there, which is about 10,000 likes or any amount of like which they do select. And this is going to be an amazing strategy, and you can actually use this right now. Maybe after you've created your URL, your content locker of landing page right now, and you link that to your URL file locker, you then want to just simply utilize this platform right now, which is called the smmpanel.co, to actually give them their likes. And with this platform, guys, if you do go onto the services section right now, you can actually do scroll down until you could actually get to this particular Facebook section. You could see in this section, guys, for about, let me say, 5,000 likes right now, you can actually get that in about 7 hours 14 minutes. And you could see the respective amount which you could use to get that right here on this platform. You could just also see right here that for this particular amount of like, you could see the amount you do to get that right now. And you can actually do go on to maybe you're telling people to actually complete or putting a minimum conversion of maybe say 2 offers or 3 offers right now. And if you do put that in this particular URL file locker, you're actually going to be making about $3 at average right now. And if you're making $3 at average or below, or let me say minimum, you actually can go into purchasing this particular stuff right now, and you are actually still going to be making a profit right there, and it's going to be a win-win for everyone. The people which you do promote the offer to are actually going to be getting their likes, and you're actually going to be making your profit right now. So how do you want to just simply utilize this strategy? Is that you want to just simply head on to platforms like Facebook and actually search for promote Facebook. And if you do click on that, you can actually do see a lot of people interested in promoting Facebook pages or getting likes right now. You can actually click on Facebook likes and you'll be able to see other groups related to that right now. And you're not actually going to be spamming your link in this group. All you actually need to do is to just simply go onto the group right now, and you could actually do see people that are actually writing some cool posts right now about Facebook likes or Facebook followers. If they're actually in need of Facebook followers right now, you can actually do go onto the comment section, or you could just simply go onto writing a simple post right now. And for that simple post, you want to just simply insert something such as this, and it says right here, send a DM, and I will show you how you can get 1,000 likes for absolutely free, no hidden content or charges right now. It's a new business that is currently testing their services before it goes live. And if you do post that right now, for everyone that is actually interested in this are actually going to come onto your DM, and you can just simply leave them a message such as this, which says, I got it from the website below. You may be asked to verify. Don't worry, it takes like 60 seconds. Enjoy your free likes. And you could just simply paste in the link and actually send to the people that actually do DM you right there. And if you successfully do that right now, guys, and you start getting some kind of engagement for people that actually do go on to using your landing page, go on to completing offers from your URL file locker, you are actually going to be earning some cool cash right now. And at the end, they will actually be taken to the second landing page that is directing them to send you an email. And if they do send you an email, all you actually have to do is to just simply go onto this SMM panel, purchase that particular likes for them, and actually do go on to giving them or utilizing it for their pages right now. And if you do that, it's going to be a win-win for everyone. You're going to be keeping your profit, and they're actually going to be getting what they want right now. So you can actually do go on to using this simple strategy right now and post on this simple group right now. You could also go on to other groups and actually do the same thing, but you're not actually going to be spamming your link on those groups. You could actually do go on to maybe in this group section or in this set section, you could just simply search for the Facebook likes. And if I do search for that right now, you can see 1K Facebook followers and likes. You could also see other groups that are actually interested in Facebook likes, go on to doing similar things in such groups, and you can actually start earning money with this simple strategy. So this is an amazing strategy that even as a beginner, you can grab hold of right now and start utilizing in the year 2023 and beyond. So hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, do smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, ensure your notification bells are turned on all, so that I could always alert you whenever I release much more amazing videos that could be helpful to you in making extra income online. That's it for now. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.